Hello, hello. Today we're going to be checking out the Forest River Salem Hemisphere. This is going to be their 310 BHI floor plan. So we're going to start with our pass-through storage first. It goes all the way through, which is really nice. You do have 2 awnings on the campsite here, and then underneath that entry door, you do have some solid steps by Moride with a nice grab handle to the left of it. Nice LED light strips underneath those 2 awnings on the campsite here to illuminate the area. And then at the back of the travel trailer, we're going to have a huge outdoor kitchen. So you have a oversized refrigerator, sink, pull-out griddle. You do have a couple lights to illuminate the area, as well as some more storage. And then at the back, you're going to find your backup camera prep, as well as your Lippert ladder backer. You have a window. We have the squared off windows on this travel trailers for the Salem. You also have your outdoor shower, you have your cable and satellite hookups, you also have your tube for your sewer hoses, as well as a hitch receiver down at the bottom there. Moving to the driver's side, you're going to have 2 slide outs on this side, so 3 slide outs all together. Looking down at the tires, this is a dual axle travel trailer. And then we're going to come across your 50-amp power cord plug-in, as well as your water heater. And then moving towards the very front of the travel trailer, you're going to find the other side of your pass-through storage. And this is where your battery disconnect switch is going to be. If we keep moving forward, we're going to find our battery box, propane tank, and power tongue jack. Let's head in on the inside and check it out. Making our way towards the inside of the travel trailer, we're going to start with our living room area first. So you have your theater seating right here. You do have a little flip-up top here in the middle to give you a little bit of extra legroom if you decide to do so. But you do have 4 cup holders in here, as well as a little wireless charger. And then moving to our dinette area. This dinette does fold into a bed in case you do have some late night stragglers. Storage underneath, of course. And then next to that, we have a little coffee bar, which is super cute. We love to see that. Off of the coffee bar, we have the bunk room. So this bunk room can sleep up to about 4 kiddos. The couch down below does fold into a bed. And then this top bunk does flip up to give you a little bit of extra headroom if you're sitting on that couch down below. Across from that, you have a window, another bunk space area, as well as the entertainment center for the kiddos to put a TV or some toys, whatever they're feeling. All right, let's round off the kitchen. You do have this massive kitchen island with this really cool LED light strip underneath to illuminate the area. Oversized refrigerator, of course. Microwave, 3-burner cooktop, oven down below, and then across from that, in your kitchen island, you have a single basin sink, solid surface countertops. We love to see it. And then for pantry space, this is just insane, guys. You have a motion sensor light. Look how deep that is. That is just insane. Okay, as far as entertainment center goes, across from your theater seating, you do have a massive smart TV, fireplace below that, and then your fuse box is going to be down there at the very bottom. Going towards the middle of the travel trailer, you have your control panel, and then going through this door here, we're going to have our bathroom. So you have your sink, really cool curved mirror, a couple of shelves. You have some towel storage, of course. Nice big shower with the skylight above for a little bit of extra headroom for you tall guys. Porcelain toilet down below. And then towards the front, at the very front, we're going to find our main bedroom. So this is a queen size bed. It is on a Versatilt. You do have storage and wardrobes on either side. Nice AC unit just for the bedroom. And then across from the bed, you do have a little wardrobe area, which doesn't have to be a wardrobe area. Could be washer dryer prep if you decide to do that. Of course, you do have a TV backer in here as well. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Salem Hemisphere 310 BHI. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Coffee bar, we have the bunk room. So this bunk room can sleep up to about 4 kiddos. The couch down below does fold into a bed. And then this top bunk